Cultivating Soldering Skills Part 2 Soldering Tools. First, we have soldering iron. Second, desoldering pump. Third, we have wet rag or rag in the absence of sponge. Cutter blade, used to cut unnecessary copper on your PCB. Then, the diagonal pliers or side cutter pliers to cut the extra legs of your components. Conus pliers, used to hold any materials during the soldering process. And we have the soldering iron stand, used to hold the soldering iron during the entire soldering process.